Tashidale everyone. So today I'm going to start my vlog in English because I want to improve my English. Only that's the reason that I am doing this vlogging in English, and I'm not daily vlogger, but I have some videos. Just I want to share with you guys. And so today we came to Hanoi, and this is the lake. It called Kim Lake, and here you can see people are wearing their traditional dresses because it's a new year. So today we are going to visit to see a cherry blossom flower. So before visiting that place, we are going to first explore Hanoi city. So here we are gonna riding here, and we are just want to explore for a little bit, and then we will go to that place. Since Hanoi is a tourist place, so we can see many tourists here.
Dạ, anh hay đi phố cổ, anh cho em hỏi là hôm nay thì có quán phở nào mở anh nhỉ? Phở Bát Đàn ấy.
Phở Bát Đàn này tí đi qua xem có mở không.
Vâng.
Còn đâu là đóng hết rồi.
Đóng hết rồi.
Phở Bát Đàn thì hên xui.
Hên xui ạ. They don't destroy the gate. They want to keep it to memorize. Remember about the old.
So finally we explore city. So now we are walking toward cherry blossom flower. Where are you going? Where are you going? What is this? Oh, okay. Gone. What's this? Shoes? Oh, that shoes. Yes. And you can see here many flower, and also this flower not only for New Year, but this is you can see every time whenever you visit here. Hmm? Yo, this is candy. Yeah. Yes. So you can see people are taking pictures because this is made by flower. Here you can see Happy New Year because of New Year. So on the way we saw this cherry blossom flower, and when I saw this I thought maybe this is the place we are going to visit, but when I came to here, so I realized that this is not that place where we are going to visit. Actually that place is still we have to walk. So here you can see people are taking pictures, and these oranges are they decorated especially for New Year. So these are very small oranges, not for eat, just to decorate. And here I saw this man, he was fall asleep. So finally we reach here, cherry blossom flower. This is this all pink flower. You can see these all are cherry blossom flower, which is very auspicious, very lucky sign for Vietnamese culture. And here you can see 2026, and also you can see that horse, because this area is horse year. And yeah, people are taking pictures, and so many people, even there they play loud song. Now also I'm roaming around this flower because I'm taking some picture and taking videos. And this flower really remind me apricot flower. And one thing I noticed that Vietnamese people love to take pictures and video. They love to photo shoot during the New Year. I have seen they dress their traditional way and they take picture, and it's very crowded. So this is the cherry blossom. So we especially came to see this, and it looks so beautiful, and even they decorated so well. They only decorated for people just to take picture. And also on the way you can see it's they decorate so beautifully. After that we came to see this church. This church is very old, so but I don't know about history. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. See you in next video.